What's up, guys? So unfortunately this week someone keyed my wife's Forester Wilderness, so I told her I'd fix it. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. It's not super bad, but it's just a few inch scratch down the car. Again, I don't know why, but they did. So I got a kit to fix it, and I'll show you that. Alrighty, so I got this 3M scratch and scuff remover, and I'll show pictures of what the scratch looks like. I'll post them right after this. But I got this kit, and I'll of course include this in the description if it works well. And this the cool thing about this one is you're not using your hands, you're using a drill, so it makes it a little bit easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out there and get working on it. Using the 3000 grit sandpaper, we've reduced the scratch quite a bit. You almost can't see it. The scratch is right here, so when I zoom in, you can see it a little bit better. Kind of an angle. We've cleaned it up a lot. It's getting there, looking a little bit better. It's still not great, but better. Alrighty, so the next step, it says, is the purple pad and the rubbing compound. Alright, so we got the rubbing compound on there. Alrighty, so it still looks a little cloudy, but we're in the polishing step. And you can't see the scratch anymore, which is really cool. So it is looking much, much better. I said much, much, much better. I can't see the scratch at all. Alrighty, and we did Touch's car wash, and that's the finished product. Nothing, you can't see it anymore.